My name is Krishan Arora, and I am founder and CEO at the Arora Project. The ethos behind the Arora Project is to help entrepreneurs achieve their dreams. Because raising capital is such a time-consuming and difficult task for entrepreneurs and founders, we leverage the power of crowdfunding to help businesses and rockstar entrepreneurs raise a round of capital and then pass them over to our digital wing to help them grow their businesses. In my experience, having guided dozens of entrepreneurs through venture capital and angel funding, and I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs through crowdfunding, in the VC and angel world, it's so much more than just your value proposition. It's getting the warm introduction to get in front of the VC. From there, it's your delivery. It's also your past background as an entrepreneur. Then it boils down to your value proposition, your customer acquisition strategies, and what your business actually does. A business could have the right pillars to raise on the value proposition, but could not have the founder's ability to deliver the message, could not have the network get in front of the VC, and a lot of these tangential things really prohibit businesses to raise capital. We really want to focus on the entrepreneurs that have the full story. And the full story, I mean, their team background has to overlap with the product they're creating. Their pricing strategy has to be correct. They have to be radically innovative. Otherwise, success in 2020 is so difficult to come by, and they have to be positioned well within a market. Even if it's early on, three of these four pillars have to be met for us to work with the partner. Once we onboard the partner, we truly understand their needs, and 100% of the time, their needs is capital to get off the ground. And that's most businesses. Cash is king and capital is required to scale. So once we isolate how much capital they need and what industry they're in, if they're a physical product, we will guide them down the product-based crowdfunding world or the rewards-based crowdfunding world, which is Kickstarter and Indiegogo. And we've raised over $50 million in capital for entrepreneurs in the Kickstarter and Indiegogo space. If they're a digital product, an app, and they have users and traction and they want to raise dilutive capital, we'll take them in the equity crowdfunding world. Since the beginning of 2020, for multiple different businesses, we've raised almost $10 million since 2020, especially with the COVID outbreak, via equity crowdfunding as well.